Hi everyone, Paul here from Beautiful British English, where we bring you bite-sized fluency lessons. And today I'm going to show you how you can use the past, the present and the future to sound more fluent and to say more. This is especially useful in your IELTS exams, so keep watching. Welcome back. So, in a previous lesson, I introduced you guys to this thing called the magic of three. The magic of three is a technique that you can use to include more vocabulary and to say more in your speech or even in your writing. So this is based on the similar principles of the magic of three. If you haven't seen this video, the magic of three, I will leave a link in the description to this video so that you can watch the magic of three. But this idea is based on using the magic of three to talk in the past, the present and the future. So we're using the magic of three, but we're using the magic of three different tenses. Yeah? So let's dive straight in and let me give you an example of how to use this. First of all, I'm going to give you an example of a standard answer to a standard question. Yeah, and in this standard answer to a standard question, we're just going to use the present tense, the present tenses. Yeah, so imagine someone asks you, what are you doing today? What are you doing today? It's a very standard question, it's a very standard present question. What are you doing today? And just using the present tenses, I would say, I am making a video for my YouTube channel for you guys. I am making a video on my YouTube channel for you guys. Yep, very standard answer to a very standard question. Quite boring as well, to be honest, and we can easily make that a better answer by thinking about the past and the future at the same time as the present. Yep, so what I want you guys to start doing is linking the past to the present and to the future. Now let me give you an example of exactly what I mean by linking the past to the present and to the future. So the same question, what are you doing today? And I'm going to give you an answer that starts in the present, links to the past, and then links to the future. Yeah? So I'm doing this. I'm going to go past, present to past, past to future. Yeah? But you can do this any way you want to. But for me, this is just a very, very easy way to demonstrate this technique to you. Let's go from present to past, from past to future. So the question is, Paul, what are you doing today? So my answer is, well, today I am making a video for my YouTube channel for you guys because yesterday I had some really good ideas that I wanted to share with you. And I'm going to post this video onto my YouTube channel tomorrow. Yeah? Do you see what I did there? I started my answer in the present, but I linked to the past. Yesterday I had some good ideas, and I spoke about my actions in the future. Tomorrow I'm going to post this video on my channel. Okay? So, that was just a very, very simple explanation, a very, very simple example of how you can expand what you say or what you want to write for your IELTS, your Cambridge, your TOEFL exams in your speaking to say more and to sound more fluent. It's a great technique to practice, and like I said, it does work on the same principles of the magic of three. So if you haven't seen the magic of three already, please do check the description below this video and click on the link to watch the magic of three video as well. That's it for today. I will see you all again in the future.